दोस्तों इस क्लास में आपको डिक्टेशन दूंगा मैं 100 WPM पर 600 वर्ड्स की डिक्टेशन है, आपको डिक्टेशन में प्रोवाइड कर रहा हूं। बी रेडी फॉर इट।
A public corporation is a legal entity established normally by Parliament and always under legal authority, usually in the form of special statute, charged with the duty of carrying out specified governmental functions in the national interest, those functions being confined to a comparatively restricted field and subjected to control by the executive, while the corporation remains jurisdically an independent entity not directly responsible to Parliament. A public corporation is not generally a multi-purpose authority, but a functional organization created for a specific purpose. It has generally no shares or shareholders. Its responsibility generally is to government. Its administration is in the hands of a board appointed by the competent minister. The employees of public corporation are not civil servants. It is, in fact, likely that in due course a special type of training for specialized form of public service will be developed, and the status of the personnel of public corporation may more or more closely approximate to that of civil service without forming part of it. Insofar as public corporations fulfill public tasks on behalf of government, they are public authorities and as such subject to control by government. One more principle which was reiterated by this court in above Constitution bench judgment is that corporations which are instrumentalities of the government are subject to the limitation as contained in the Constitution. The corporations which were under consideration in the above case, namely Life Insurance Corporation of India, Oil and Natural Gas Commission, Industrial Finance Corporation, were held to be constituted within the meaning of Article 12 of the Constitution. Two categories of corporations have been noticed, that is, statutory corporations and non-statutory corporations. Whereas the statutory corporations owe their existence from by or under statute, non-statutory bodies and corporations are not created by or under statute, rather are governed by a statute. The appellant on the one hand submits that the authority has not been established by 1976 Act, rather it has been established under the 1976 Act, hence it is not covered by notification, whereas the respondent submits that authority has been established by the 1976 Act, hence it fulfills the condition as enumerated under notification. Alternatively, it is submitted that words by and under have been interchangeably used in the IT Act 1961 and there is no difference even if the authority is established in subclause B. Expression used is established by or under a central, state or provincial act. The section thus uses both the expressions by or under. The expression established by or under an act have come for consideration before this court on several occasions. In this context, it shall be useful to refer to few judgments of this court. In Sukhdev Singh, the court had occasion to consider the status of company incorporated under the Companies Act. The court held that company incorporated is not a company created by the Companies Act. Another judgment which had occasion to consider the expression established by or under the Act is a judgment of this court. The court had occasion to examine the provision of Section 2K of the Persons with Disabilities, Equal Opportunities, Protection of Rights and Full Participation Act 1995. Specifically, expression establishment means a corporation established by or under central, provincial or state act. This court held that the phrase established by or under the act is a standard term used in several enactments to denote a statutory corporation established or brought into existence by or under the statute. On company, it was held that the company is not established under the Companies Act and an incorporated company does not owe its existence to the Companies Act. दोस्तों इसी के साथ ये डिक्टेशन फिनिश होती है। उम्मीद है आप लोगों ने इसे अच्छे से लिखा होगा। मैटर ये थोड़ा इजी ही है पिछले वाले से, लेकिन ये मैं बार बार कहता हूँ, अगर इस तरीके के लेवल के डिक्टेशंस आप कर लेंगे तो आप एग्जाम में आपको प्रॉब्लम नहीं होने वाली। आप मेहनत करते रहिए, ऐसे ही वीडियोस को लाइक करते रहिए, आपको वीडियोस और मैं प्रोवाइड करता रहूँगा। मैं हर बार ये कहता हूँ, वीडियो को आप लाइक नहीं करेंगे तो मोटिवेशन मुझे कैसे मिलेगी? मैं आप लोगों को मोटिवेशन देता हूँ अच्छा मेहनत करने के लिए, तो आप भी तो कुछ मोटिवेशन दीजिएगा ना। तो दोस्तों मुलाकात करते हैं अगली क्लास में अगले ट्रांसक्रिप्शन के साथ। तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, टेक केयर।